Donovan, then get the branch when you run through. Oh, I took a shot on it. Man, you gotta retrieve it. Huh? You gotta retrieve it. Give me one more shot. Go to the other side. Because I'll throw it and I'll miss it when you throw it back. Just go. Just get to me. Okay, you go in there. I'm already here. All right. Just go. Just go. I'll go on the other side of the fence. Go. No, Donovan, I got it. It's my turn. Brody's turn. Okay, no, because you're going to hit the building. Yeah, don't throw it. Okay.